Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix if you cannot download the Threads application on your device, okay? Now the first thing that you need to do is just to go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for the Threads application, okay? And then there you'll be able to see the app, so just tap on it. And if you can see the install option, so you just have to tap on it. But if the install option is not available, it means that maybe the application is not yet available in your country or in your region, so you just have to wait for that, okay? Now the second option is just to go to your web browser and then search for Threads. And then scroll down until you see this one, so you just have to tap on it and you will be redirected to your App Store or Play Store, and then you'll be able to download or update the Threads application. Now the last thing that you can do is just to go to your Instagram application, then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then you can see the Threads option, so you just have to tap on it and then click on the open threads or get threads. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.